Hello guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Good evening, everyone. Please help me to share this video. I get message for this Efulefu, this big buffo that is insulting a whole kingdom. You know, it's very bad of him to talk down on Edo people. Pascal Okichuku, okay? It is very, very bad of you to talk down on Edo people. Very, very bad. Very bad. I used to like you. I used to like your behavior. But this one that you did to Edo people, it is very, very disrespectful. Very disrespectful. My brother, not be so that they take the talk. Now, so some of una, they talk anyhow. They take they create a tribal war problem here and there. Huh? Tribal war problem here and there. Can't tell us how many people you think say for a Edo person or Benin person will be say don't travel out. Now we Edo people, the most traveled people in terms of when it comes to even Africa, Nigeria self as a whole. Huh? And the person where you they talk down on, you forgotten that even Davido is also a Benin boy. Davido is partly Benin, partly Yoruba, which many people didn't know. You are talking down on a whole nation. Wanna listen to what they talk.
Oh, this is my first time of getting to London. I'm the most happiest human being on this planet. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you, Morgan. And they never get any Edo person. Thank you, guys, sir. Thank you, sir. You don't get any Benin person without enter. Like, how do you feel? This is my first time of getting to London. I'm the most happiest human being on this planet. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you, Morgan. And they never get any Edo person. Thank you, guys, sir. Thank you, sir. You don't get any Benin person without enter. Like, how do you feel?
Please share this video.
Getting to London, I'm the most happiest human being on this planet. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you, Morgan. And they never get any Edo person. Thank you, guys, sir. Thank you, sir. You don't get any Benin person without enter.
Please, my people, this is please share this video. Share this video. Red Label, you said he was just catching cruise. He's supposed to catch cruise with his own tribe. You understand? Sometimes we always take things for granted because when you don't see this social media, make they talk one by one. You don't see the way we be say they are looking his own tribal people that they look for Biafra. Share this video, my people. Then they look for Biafra, but at the end of the day, they make you turn around. Now the Edo people, the Benin people, even go reach our kingdom, everything about us, neither they insult. So they can't even pack some useless Edo people join body. They go create different nations for themselves. So sometimes not be everything we go they like to say is just catching fun. It's catching fun. It's catching fun whereby his own people they look for Biafra, but now Edo can't be their Biafra where they look for. This is how people always disrespect you. You understand? But you might be thinking he's catching fun. He's catching. If I go use and take catch fun with his own people, say, no emo person don't enter O2 Arena. You understand? Because Davido way O2 Arena when they talk, a lot of Edo people don't go there. A lot of Benin people don't go there. You understand? Even Rema was there too. A lot of people don't go there way because they don't come from Edo State. So me not see what he can be say. He is now trying to talk down on Edo people. But meanwhile, was talking. Davido too is from Edo State. Which maybe he forget say Davido mama na Benin woman. Davido more than a Benin woman. So why will you now be talking down on a whole, I don't know, the thing, not be everything will just they take saying a fun, or it just they make fun, they cash cruise. No. If I got cash cruise with your own people, you understand? If I go cash cruise with your own people, then we go no say yes, now cruise they catch. That is how me I see it. You don't talk down on other tribe just because you want to make yourself feel good or you want to cash cruise. No, that cruise was an expensive cruise. That joke was an expensive joke. Let's just talk about it. Now, expensive joke is a letter. The same thing where Bobrisky do that day. Then with the ticker, go see social media. They were looking for Brafa. At the end of the day, they turn it up to a Edo people issue. From Brafa, they now gave it to Igodomigodo. Igodomigodo, yeah. Igodomigodo, yeah. You now seeing them giving themselves different names. From Brafa, they now started calling it Idu. That is how disrespectful they went. This one now don't come with its own. Then one person will come tell me, say, they cash fund, they cash fund. Whereby, go look social media. Even paying some lunatic from Edo State to be insulting their own kingdom. That was the length they went to. If the young man never come UK before, it's his first time, thank God for him. Now he Edo brother too still help her. Now he Edo brother help her. Now he Edo brother help her. May we they see things the way it be. Share this video because many Edo people, they always they like to keep quiet because the guy they throw bundle of money, but he is disrespecting your own state. He is disrespecting your own tribe. He is letting your own tribe down. Now, what many of they feel. But tomorrow, when they go come, they insult with the video where you do so. Say, una never go anywhere, una never enter here, una never enter here. Then at that time, I'll come they talk. It's not everything you see that is a joke. It's not a joke. You shouldn't talk down on people or other tribe. He go for free use, if for use your own tribe, they make example. And then me go no say, yes, he's trying to talk. I'll be every time Edo person are they quiet for. Whereby una know say a lot of una people don't go there. They don't do things there. They don't come out. A lot of Edo people have been there. A lot of Benin people have been there. Who can be Pascal? If you get money, your money you miss road. Do you know how many Edo people that have money, even more than you? They don't make noise with it. They don't disrespect other people. They don't disrespect other tribe. So why must you look down on Edo people? Why must you look down on Edo people? You are standing there with the boy. He was telling you this is his first time of coming to UK. Kudos to him. But the Davido that you are trying to promote or you are trying to help is also a Benin man. Davido mother is a Benin woman. Davido mama na Benin woman. So which one you can't they talk now say you want promote? That one are nonsense talk. Now nonsense talk you they talk there. Ah. That's for a vibe. You say no. Endurance, good evening, my sister. Diaspora, they say no. You say me will not escalate. No, I don't go. My brother, I don't go escalate. You know what thing they make me the verse? You they see how they are. He say la wo mama. He has apologized. Okay, me will forget. Because what thing they make me the verse? We say once I see that video for Insta blog, the thing it busts my brain because I don't see the way if you see different platform where it be say young people they talk down on we the Edo as if say we are the ones standing as a stumbling block behind their brafa or behind achieving the brafa they want to achieve. Now that thing they make me the verse because you cannot look down on my own. If you want to have your brafa, go to President Buhari or better still, just go and meet the Queen of England. You will see this social media. Go see a lot of them. They turn some of the lunatic where still come from Edo State. Make those ones they sing praise. These are the kind of way they say that they disrespect other people tribe. wey be say I not me not they like. Don't look down on my own tribe. Because wetin you want go do there, who you they stand with there? Israel is from Edo. Davido too is half Edo. Davido is from Edo State too. So who is making mockery here? I don't want may I just forget my brother because the thing, you know to make sense. You are right, diaspora vibe. You are right, because many of our Edo presenters, they are not helping issue. They are not helping issue. I hear, Baba, I hear. We don't forgive them. I hear. If you dare close to them, make you know they talk like that, because many of the people, they don't to castigate we Edo. They don't to castigate us. They don't to look down on us. They don't to disrespect us. So they are even using the lunatic among them. They insult our kingdom, which we don't want to take anymore. We don't want to take anymore. Any let down video from any one of them, we come out to attack. We go come out to attack. Bumper to bumper. Even though we come out to attack. Sister Shine, I greet. Good evening, my dear sister. You know, I know say not be all Edo person now go see him. Baba diaspora, I respect you, my brother. May I just forget, because if not, ebomete we ado mugbo tana. Eboyate we awado mugbe utana. Israel Journal apologize. Okay, no problem. Sister Mercy, I greet. Good evening, my dear sister. Hope you are good. Israel don't Journal apologize. Anyway, he good make he apologize. Davido himself supposed to Journal apologize. Davido supposed to Journal apologize. Somebody is disrespecting where your mama come from. Then they look there like a zuwa. Okay, I never see the video where he for apologize. Anyway, no problem. Because he know. He know. Neighbor Brisky me that one go tell him. Bob Risky go tell her say no go there. And you don't come out uzaze. Okay, Davido is busy now. Okay, Baba, no problem. As you say, you know say me I know the me I just leave her like that, because me don't iwanya ya mirian newa. Iga mirie wo rena no wa disrespecting her. I must come out for them. Iwa do mwebok bi me can't yebo. But don't disrespect our kingdom. If you don't bono me go nya ni gua. Or be when people start to they know late park after Osaye. Over excitement. Yeah, good. Yeah, kateje way for using your own taste do one for say no person from your own tribe don't do one. Because who they do this something now see from Edo State. Now that one be the sense where you don't get. Maybe Davido not tell us say he too come from Edo State. Now that one be the problem there. Now that one be the problem. Make we know they let all these people they look down on us, because they just feel say because we just get one state, then get many states. Now that one be the problem. Now British people, I will not blame them. It is the Great Britain that destroyed the structure the Great Benin Empire had. That is just the problem. But my Britain. They are always backward. Go look their things. Always backward. Go see their roads. Always backward. I saw Britain be. Olden days houses now, their place you go see. I beg. Anyway, may I just keep quiet. May I keep calm, since you say don't apologize. May I just keep calm. Not be Edo State, even if we be one state, but we know our power, we know our worth, we know our might, we know who we are. Anyway, thank God say they don't first tell her. Well, say Baba, no problem. Thank you for interceding on his behalf. Thank you. Because me know this way. He mete wa bo ede. Ite wa bo ede. Nite do yagbon view. Make it stop. Not be. Since you say you don't apologize, it's no problem. Because I see the thing for Insta blog. Now I say, waiting be this. Waiting be this. Anyway, for the comment where I still see there, a lot of people don't tell us, say, Edo people, they come for you. They tell us, say, Edo people, they come for you. So the thing just, it provoked me, make me paro. Okay. Baba Diaspora, they ask you where they go see the video where they apologize. Because that statement, you know, it's too big. Oh. It's too big. Now Israel was laughing. Now that one be the thing, huh? He was laughing. I feel he say now over excitement. One. Now Israel, we go blame Davido. Because Davido too is from there. Davido, mama from there. Where your mama come from? Somebody was looking down, talking down on it. I go see him. I go see him later. Make I see. I'll go check her. I'll go check her because I like the guy well. Because I see say na hard working guy. And they respect people like that way. Be say that they also for their dream, that they also for their life. No matter what. But no can they overtalk past your boundary. No they overtalk past your boundary. We Edo people know they ever they go bring down. Okay, Baba. Please get it for me. If you get her, just tag me. No problem. I'll go see Shara. Where if I apologize. You know, because the whole thing, we Edo people, we know they like to talk down on any other tribe. We know they do one like that. Because we are not brought up that way. I never see Edo person go come they say na another tribe he want come talk down on, or he want come let down, or he want come castigate, bring down. No, we know they do it because not be so that they train us. So when you temper with our own, now there now, I mean you are. Stasha say you know go gree or you must see her. Baba, that's what I beg. Please, so go share and may you tag me put. So that I made this my sister for share because now bumper to bumper they be one doing this evening. Because a lot of people they will be we no one hear any insult to Edo people. Because now that one be waiting with the fight for, you know. And that one be waiting with the fight for. Well, sometimes Israel, he was just happy. Israel was happy. Even the thing when he come they talk, where Cubana chief they talk, I'm not sure say Israel think maybe now later he realize. Now later he realize, even Davido too, which I believe now later that one too realize, say, hey, I never know until we go see. Until we go see. Whether Davido himself go come out, come apologize. So we go see because ona izogie over there on Moyana go egwibai. Ona izogie over there na Moyana be go egwibai. Vove mu Bobrisky re. So we go see. May we see how it go. Baba Diaspora, I believe you. My brother, I believe you. So may I cease fire, make I just leave on like that. But there are times that you need to respect other people, especially when you know the history. Okay, you can't download it. Maybe you can save it first. If you save it, then maybe you can share. It's possible. Okay, I will go and see. Okay, I will go and see later when I finish my video. I will go and see. So that maybe next time if I do video. Because now another thing, maybe one even can't talk today. Okay, you have the link. Okay. Please, you can share with me. You can share with me. Because this thing is getting too much. You understand? It's getting too much. It's getting too much. If you go where it be say, then they talk anything about. I know say you know they use Bini play, Baba Diaspora. I know. Me know that one, my brother. I know. I know. Immediately apologize you for. I know. Because why are they talking? This whole thing, it don't date too much. It don't date too much. Wait, come be say, you know the thing where they verse me. I don't go verse for your own. No, I don't go verse for your own. Waiting provoke me be say, he can't come and do video. You understand? That one I provoke me. But the one where don't find they provoke me where they down where be say, then leave waiting that they. Then leave waiting that they pursue. It can't be saying, nah, it don't matter. Can't even they catch them. He got one video where he be say even Unam Dikanu do. Where he say I don't know which person he died for. Where among their IPOB members so where he died. Or we 2000 enemy here they can bury any normal. After all again they ring where they do. You can imagine. So the thing they don't they look down on Edo people for a very long time. So that they even they use other people where you still come from Edo where don't know they are left, know they are right. Go see the woman where they Spain. Okay, Sister Shine. Okay, no problem. Go see the one where they Spain where don't know are left or are right. I don't know the woman. Me not even know no buy back where you buy and name you understand. If you look the video, once she they do video, you will constantly say, an Edo woman from Esan precisely, they are not giving her, calling her Ada. Ada nenemi, Ada beke, Ada this, Ada that. You can imagine. An Edo woman, because that one I don't they insult where she come from. Then you will consider they are right up there. A lot of Igbo people, they are right up there. The Biafra, not be all Igbo, but the IPOB, where you don't know they are left from their right. That what they started with, they now end up making it to become a real identity crisis. Exactly, my dear sister. Exactly. That they themselves, they now end up making Edo State as their kind of headache, you know. They now make it to be like they are looking for Biafra, but Edo State is the stumbling block that makes them not to get the Biafra they want to get. That is what I don't get here. So it's one of the reasons, once I see any one of them from these two people, if you are Neyowa, if you are Onyamiri, talking down on our state, me no go agree. I no go agree. I must come down. I must come out to come and talk to them. Or I must come out to come and talk to them. You dare not disrespect other people just because you want your own gain. And at the end of the day, you want other people to be crying. It's not done. It's not done. I don't cease fire. I don't cease fire because if not, maybe he go for even lose 5 kilos instantly this evening. He go for lose 5 kilos. Me, I can't tell how many Edo people will get money when not they make noise. They know they make noise. You know they sing for their eye. But no need, because there are people don't they let our people down. And if you women to be they let take me down. Especially the one who I hear you have social media. Hear you have being both of social media. And they making other people to disrespect us, making other people to look down on us. Making other people to look down on us. Because they are better that they whoa. Ni women ni boom social media. Ik be social media, ik social media. The whole thing is annoying, eh? I don't lie, the whole thing is annoying. You will see there now, you will come see. One adult presenter go do video finish. Go, may you go see, go check there some of their write-up. You will go see for another place where the be say don't Congo de here do ya move here do boto we na maya ni age. Iwuya here do awe iwuya gberukpa. He said now do people they patronize the business for Asaba say na mistake. No problem. We forgive her. We forgive her. But the only thing is that if any Edo person dey with foreigner and if they won't drive rough, it is better you stop them quickly. It is better you stop them quickly. This is the reason we were also talking to Izoge the last time. Say, you know, quick stop a parrot wey carry come Edo State. So for this one, he don't apologize. No problem. No problem. At least he own too. If you weigh him, waiting in talk, believe say na the whole Edo State in talk to. Than Bobrisky where he want force another person. That one may we just look at like that. Now so it be. Iye no Geobota, Star Rosalie. I will forgive her. Yeah, you say okay. Yeah, you are blaming Israel for it. Now so. But you know, I don't go. When I know never me go na we do arugo ebo me go. Ene no itawani. You see, Baba diaspora, atiku bega eberi oni. O mane me go ona do arugo ebo me go. Emeki gieta. Because for me believe say person wey supposed to correct am na Davido. Sir Grace Obotaje. And Davido supposed to correct am. And Davido supposed to correct am. Either good or bad. You see am? Because the Israel now, when you they see as the guy they lie down. Yen ye gbin ya hin we ni ya ne yo wa give ya to ene. Yen na we mu e ko lo ye le loto. So you know he has no option. He no get option. Now Davido supposed to correct am. Just the way we they talk that they say now Izoge supposed to correct the man woman way carry come. Now so it just be. Now so it be. Now so it be. Because me, Dave, I don't know. They Davido maybe he don't come out here those sides for Ibodio. Me no know. But if you go in biography, everything about him, they would tell you that the mother is from a Benin woman. Ije Nije Imade no Imade Atije Nije Muno ye inonjon. Maybe a lot of Edo people too not know say Davido is also partly Benin. You know? So now I not go blame Israel, Baba diaspora. I not go blame Israel. Because Israel is just catching his phone. He happy saying they there. Oh yeah, now he have in paradise. You never hear say some Nigerians don't go. Okay, Israel is too okay. Not true. Okay, Davido isn't too rooted to Edo. It's true. Anyway, you are right. You are right. Because me never see say speak one Edo language one day. My EZ do there. Not true. Okay, you are back. How did you see the apology? May we ask before we go. Though our Babaya doesn't make we nervous. Mr. Shine, I beg give our Baba diaspora how you go. Make we, because we don't promise say we cease fire. We promise say we cease fire. Baba, you will see go. If you be say one mama go come out just now do amwe bogbera gbije o. So may I make me adjust and cease fire because why I give Mama Mila home, Mama Mila home, Mama Mila home, Obi Cubana go reduce instantly. You dey laugh. Mama Mila home, Obi Cubana or what do kaka instantly. Ogori amugbera mugbije. You see, I hold government they like to swear. So Mama Mila, I get home. Mama Mila here na trouble in there. So as he be say, don't apologize. No problem. May we just forgive. May we forgive her. But in case next time, if any Edo person you come from Edo, you are any Edo Kama say. So we are no for that. No matter what. Me no care. Don't insult my tribe. Even though Igbo they not agree. They not agree. They laugh. He reached to laugh, Puto. So, Sister Shai, you see the apology. Okay, no problem. May we just leave him. Obi Cubana, chief priest. Now the chief priest way they inside. We leave you, my brother, because sometimes you dey very funny, you dey jovial, but next time don't do it, oh. Don't do it. Small but mighty. You shock. Now so Okay, no problem. Since he don't do apology, I believe with that, so no problem. May we just forget, you understand? Because why the thing they provoke many of us, we they see the way we be say, go see Moki Wunda face now. Moki Wunda face for Germany now. Now then turn on. Moki Wunda face was not like this when he started live video. Now then turn on, entice him, ginger and do all those things. Many of them. Even who was Sophia now, that one now don't they say if they dare enter those states. Because you can't la where when any I pop name whatever near do wune. When Sophia don't enter, it don't come out now. The other one where they call way day first, I don't know. Those ones now they contact and now say if una enter those states now una know una go fini una wa area wa near je boy atenia. You get in area we so you can see. But before you go see say now then food their comment pass. You see? And Baba diaspora, I know because you know the thing invests a lot of people because even when they see the comment for Easter blog, a lot of people don't they ask a question, make a comment. Even if some of if you have SF, you kwe kama we ya de no emu dia kan. Emi ni ya we ma huma ya we ya wa o ya mi. So emi ni if you have we kama ene we emi ni ya we ma huma ya mi ya wa o ya mi. So the thing I was not happy about it because the leg down, you know, it was too much. Oh yeah, na me where if you're doing a travel or in a journey where or if you're doing anything, you understand? So now it was what he was trying to like showcase there. And that thing feel provoke. Exactly. Rema has performed in O2. Exactly. So now that thing I be waiting me no con when they talk I'm not con understand. It's I not con even to understand. I don't want to be the thing where they there. I'm not con understand because more Agba say Davido we they wait for her. We they wait for her. Whether he too rooted or he not too rooted or we they wait for her. Because we never to see her say or your je sa dije. So me ma veye din me gbije nya. Wa agree o family je. Because even ye to be we ya behave. Oye na me we obokbo ba yi. Me gbera me gbije atemi. So we dey wait. 50 be say na you tell her make it go apologize. Even me I do mu yen media. Mama we no know. Where we dey wait? Then they fear also. Any do Cubana will be now small but mighty. Small but mighty. So if we not mighty reach like that, the heartbeat of the nation. It's not easy. Heartbeat of the nation. About 4 before British we are able to join Nigeria together. The fit trial. The fit trial. They're not fit. They're not fit. Or who yana do ya join Nigeria together? So that was the fear. Why they're not doing when he was alive? And do kama uzaze na we be. Okay, you Sarah ID, you don't know about that sort. Many of them don't they come Edo warriors don't they come yeah. No, make any need to show the video again because me I not go make some people paro here again since we don't settle her. We don't say me since it don't settle her, so me will. Because don't look down on any other tribe. Because we Edo people, we know they quit, they come out, can't they talk down on another tribe, or can't they insult another tribe, or can't they misyan another tribe. But when you talk back at us, or you can't talk waiting we not like, we not care. We not care. You see as some people they do for social media. Now so they'll still take comment. In the book where you are home. Sarah or Bota. Koji. You know. In the book where you are home. They not care say they with themselves. Now so I do people be. They feel they fight. Nah. You will be outside and you will come say you want come miss yam. Then go throw away that fight. Two of them go first that beat you first. Before they go remember their fight again. They go continue from there. Now so we be. Now so we be. So a dope person and a dope person just a fight. Nah. You will be outside and control your bomb inside. The two of them go leave their fight. Then go beat you. After they don't beat you, then go start their fight again. Now so we be. Oh, Sister Grace, you two don't know what thing they go on. Oh, una say make I they show the video. Okay, they know many of them not cool. No. Okay, make I show una the video because now this one I make me vex when I come out. You're not supposed to they talk down on a whole tribe like that. You're not good. A whole tribe, no matter what. Make I show una. So now this invest me.
Like, how do you feel? Oh, this is my first time of getting to London. I'm the most happiest human being on this planet. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you, Morgan. And you never get any don't Thank you, guys, sir. Thank you, sir. You don't get any unique person without Like, how do you feel? Oh, this is my first time of getting to London. I'm the most happiest human being on this planet. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you, Morgan. And you never get any don't Thank you, guys, sir. Thank you, sir. You don't get any unique person without Like, how do you feel? Oh, this is my first time of getting to London. I'm the most happiest human being on this planet. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you, Morgan. And you never get any don't Thank you, guys, sir. Thank you, sir. You don't get any unique person without
Even Israel, they say,
Like, how do you feel? Oh, this is my first time of getting to London. I'm the most happiest human being on this planet. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you, Morgan. And you never get any don't Thank you, guys, sir. Thank you, sir. You don't get any unique person without
una dey hear, una see am. Person not go provoke for this one. Huh? Israel was even trying to say, "Oni enene na tananya. Yena iga toge keni ekere buwe. Yema gite ya gbabo wa munu yari ya ne. Yena iga to Israel na iga toge keni ekere buwe. Obege. These are the no. I beg. Me will not just go there because the whole thing if you just provoke me just now, you blast Yakugbe. Wa blast Yakugbe. You see her? Sister Shai, you know now they talk, so I say if Mama Mila hear this one, is Israel, both Israel, both Cubana chief priest, Dr. Ajin Aola. May they don't let Mama Mila hear. They make me they laugh. You know, when that the way they tell they swear that swear where should they swear for them? The thing if I they list only me wow just 0 for grant. When I say after they laugh, so why I give Mama Mila on? Mama Mila ga on. Mama Mila ga on. Una ye. He say he not even get no one Edo person don't enter O2 arena. Mama come on. Come on me right boy. You Mama Mila dey here. E Mama Rema o diaspora. That's what Mama Mila dey here o. Come on me. That's what I vibe. Mama Mila don't dey here. She don't hear. She don't see the video. Cubana chief priest when you prepare her mama. He go hear her today. That's what I just go tell her, oh, Mama, don't see the video. Cubana chief priest. Hey, you see her. You see, say all of them don't they write, say, Mama Mila go arrest her today. I want to if Mama, they talk to them, and the thing, they make me, they laugh. I go just say, oh, you are just saying it now. Me see and Mama, I was so paro. I was so hungry. Oh, that's what I beg. Oh, when you mala, we wanna escalate. No, just leave her because one, Davido supposed to even make that video long, say, may not talk like that. Already Insta blog, Mama. Oh, he said we have to set up the madman. Hey, Wahala, oh, I beg, oh. May we not set the madman up, oh, I beg. May we, they say he don't apologize, oh. Now, so my brother here, they tell us, say he don't apologize. He say he don't apologize. So, now, you see, now, I be no one showing just now. Oh, Mama, you don't know what is happening. He was talking down on Edo. They carry one of our brother, Davido carry one of our Edo brother, Israel. He carry Israel go UK. May go O2 Arena. So now there now, make I show the video for Mama. But Mama, I go beg on his behalf. Because my brother here, diaspora, don't they beg. Say, may we forgive. So he can't they talk. It's...
This is my first time of getting into London. I'm the most happiest human being on this planet. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you, Morgan. And you never get any don't thank you again, sir. Thank you, sir. You don't get any Benin person we don't invite. Like, how do you feel? Oh, this is my first time of getting into London. I'm the most happiest human being on this planet. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you, Morgan. And you never get any don't thank you again, sir. Thank you, sir. You don't get any Benin person we don't invite. Like, how do you feel? Oh, this is my first time of getting into London. I'm the most happiest human being on this planet. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you, Morgan. And you never get any don't thank you again, sir. Thank you, sir. You don't get any Benin person we don't invite. Like, how do you feel? Oh, this is my first time of getting into London. I'm the most happiest human being on this planet. Thank you, Morgan. Thank you, Morgan. And you never get any don't thank you again, sir. Thank you, sir. You don't get any Benin person we don't invite.
When I see here, even Israel not correct her. When they say he not get any Edo person where he don't enter O2. Israel they say yes sir. And then he can say he not get any other Benin person. You see? On to boy differentiated bene origin do ya ate Benin later. That's just it. He say Cubana chief priest say he no get any Edo person where he don't enter O2 Arena. Israel say yes sir. Now Cubana chief priest can say he no get any Benin person. So no Benin person don't enter O2 Arena. You see? Wow. Wow. And now Israel post the video. Okay. So he can't post the video now. He can't want to make it be say make a dope person make a dope people come they happy with him Israel. Israel can't want to now make a dope people come they happy with him. Because he go London. Then another man was talking down Brafa was not talking down on his own state. He to be not differentiate or here work in Yekere. Oh, Johnny Yahweh Bini. Erema e Bini no. Even Davido is Davido not half a Bini and half Yoruba. Davido is half Bini, half Yoruba. Can you imagine? So is Davido also not a Bini man? When he enter the O2 so. The thing they tire me yo. No, we don't talk down on Edo State. You didn't say. Rather, you were not differentiating your own part of it. You are not trying to make the guy to know that those states, they are different. It's not good now. It's not good. I not just want to provoke, because if I say, we analyze this video the way they take it, now him the Israel way post away they differentiate in your way in for can't even make the guy go change from Edo to Benin. Now him make huh? Bewa woman. Diaspora vibe. I don't listen to you, my brother. May we not escalate this thing. Make it not come be say, if you do I go me tribe by tribe inside those states. Or if you do because he himself will post the video, they use the man to they correct in own part of Edo inside. I don't know the big deal. I don't know, man, the big deal, Jenny. I don't know the big deal. The thing, say no Edo person don't go to arena. From there now you say no Benin person don't go to arena. The O2 arena when they tell they brag, the person where they host the something, now see half of Benin. Davido is half Benin, half Yoruba. Davido no go fit wash that one comot lie. He no go fit wash and comot lie. He don't give him own pikin the mama name Imade. His mother name was Imade. The middle name now he give his second pikin. So where Davido one can go wash that one comot for his own self. It was just also that one too they do more there. Funa get money now, now self funa get money for. Your money is not feeding anybody. Don't sit down there and keep quiet whereby other people are bringing down your own state. Ave musaka ave monama kokose. Just trying to bring Edo State down. No, Edo person don't go O2 arena. As he said, the O2 arena. Now, new thing where this person never go before. Edo people, a lot of Edo people have money, but they don't make noise with it. They don't exaggerate with it. Like I said before, when a lot of people here, if not be politics, say now politics, if not be politics, when a lot of people here can't even know anything about late Captain Osa here, when a lot of people know anything about late Captain Osa here, many people don't know. So Edo people, we don't make noise with our words. Dele tije Davido kwe wawe ragmo waya yeve niye wawe uga na ije ga koya ije ihwa de kuoni no Edo person don't go there. Then you now where you come from Edo, you can't tell her your own part where you be for the Edo. Later he can't change mat. Say na Benin. Na Benin never go. Okay, you see? Na Benin never go. But Rema too na Benin. Rema na Benin. Davido na Benin, half Yoruba. You no go fit wash that one away. I beg. All this tribal thing, waiting make me they talk. Because I don't see waiting. A lot of all these high-pop people don't use many Edo people turn to for this social media. Waiting that they see they do for this social media. You go a some blog now. The man don't know whether a man they operate that platform on a woman. The moment the person just posts any history, you will see how a lot of Igbo people that will just fool there. Now they got the platform. Every platform for this social media, now Igbo people be the olaga. They are the president of all social media platform. You will see where they go, they write, they bring history, they come out. Huh? From Brafa now, they don't turn out to Idu Brafa. From Idu Brafa, they turn out to Igodomigo do Brafa. They don't even know where they belong, whether they belong to Israel, or they belong to Nigeria, or they belong to the Biafra, or they belong to Igodomigodo. Have a confused identity. Una come from Israel. Una go call them. Give them Israel Biafra. Now they are not saying they are Igodomigodo Biafra. Idu Biafra. Now even they say na Uwa Sofia. Uwa Sofia no ma history. Uwa Sofia no ma ugbe babage. That Uwa Sofia was the one that told Nnamdi Kanu that it is Idu Biafra. That her father helped them. Me don't know whether if Papa dey history or if Uwa Sofia Papa don't reach 125 years. Where you can't know the history or 200 years. That Uwa Sofia will not be the one that is telling Nnamdi Kanu that they should change it to Idu Biafra. You will come see some of them. Lunatic people, illiterate people. Then go they tell you, say, Idu Biafra. Idu Edo land. I don't know where they see all those confused things. And you will come see a lot of Igbo people. They are the one tapping there, writing there. Some of Edo people don't become a Ada Abeke, Ada Biafra. Now be the name where they come they give them now. The one way they Spain now she be Ada. Even before Uwa Sofia was Ada. Uwa Sofia was Ada. Now they even make the whole entire person. They come up for the lane where them they look for Biafra. Instead, maybe they go call Israel Biafra. I suppose Israel go for listen to them. Israel Biafra. But the conscience say, now I don't be their problem. Now I don't not make them get the Biafra where they won't get. Huh? One of their general where he fight 1967 war. The man said it categorically. I go see go bring them out this evening, publish them again. He said they are from Sudan. He said they are from Sudan. So me don't know where they for come. Whether they are from Edo, they are from Cameroon, or from Israel, or even they say some of them they Gabon too. So whether they are from Gabon, the one where they can't know say them be, made them claim. But today you are seeing them answering Idu Biafra, Igodomigodo Biafra. I don't know where they see say Igodomigodo they inside all these things. Baba Bright, I greet. Me no see where Igodomigodo or Idu they among people who come from Sudan. History. If your general that fought a war said you people migrated from Sudan to present day Nigeria, so who be una way be say they never even born on una when they fight the war. Even Nnamdi Kanu they never born when they fight the war, 1967 war. And the general is 90 years old now. A 90 years old man telling you people where you came from. And some of the lunatic way come from Edo that don't even know they are left, they are right. Me don't know the one way someday. They said they are Igodomigodo Biafra. Who want give them the Igodomigodo? Me no know. Me no know. Me no know. Yeah. You will come see some day that they thought they go say Idu land. Fear no go let them go Nigeria. Fear no go even let them go Nigeria. Go talk and say they are Igodomigodo Biafra. They cannot even dare themselves. Now all this leg that way be say you will come see say when Niger do ya tona ovie do I gan few no vie ke no ma kekene ivie I pop na o mi be bani iyan ya agbene yo iyan agbene right don jin ya iyan o helian iyan o bringing ya. Few days ago when Sophia said it's not a she's not a member of high pop again. He not tell them, but made them go try. Many are trying ni area doni angeni ni ria do ajin ya o ya me. But you were the one who brought your state to them. Ah. The thing wey me know say many of them already for the waiting that they fight for. Now, when they do donation, anywhere where you see say that they do donation for something, and those people are telling you that they are going to fight for you, just know that they are using your money. Now, your money that they find. And then go let a lot of people go die for waiting they don't know, and which it was what Nnamdi Kanu gave to them in the eastern part of Nigeria. Today, now, it is what Sophia Obaza is not trying to tell them, say, now, una people, they die, not be our people. You see them? Now, una people, they die. And exactly. And at that process, many of them were collecting money. They were doing contribution for them. All in the name they want to have Biafra. Me, I no go gree. You come from Aneyowa State. You come from Oyamiri. You talk down on my Edo. I will see come and reply you. It's simple. If you get your money, now your house, you get your money. It's just simple as that. But sometimes, know your boundary. Know how to talk. Know your boundary. Know how to talk. Know how to talk to people. Don't disrespect people. Because this guy was actually disrespecting a whole state. A whole state. Which was never good. You know, good. But if they say people will really travel past, now we people from Edo State, now we travel past. Go anywhere. You go see Edo person there. You go see Edo person there. Nowhere for this world where you no go see one Edo person or two person there where you come from Edo State. You yourself go say, hey, you not see there yet. Then they. Majority of Edo people where travel out, then plenty pass the one way they house. Edo people where they Edo State, the ones that live outside the country, outside the state, they are more than the ones still at home. So don't look down on us. We might be small, but we are mighty. We are mighty. In all ramifications, we are mighty. We are from the great Benin Empire. Empire, you know. Empire. We not be kingdom. Now, British people be kingdom. When they came, we were empire. We were never kingdom. Now, them be kingdom. We were never kingdom. Now, them be kingdom. We were empire. Because empire is bigger than kingdom. Now we can't be kingdom. We were empire before. An empire that was ruled by one king. Empire is where you have a lot of country. Country, I mean, not be state. Country. That's why they say, they will say Benin Republic, their name after Benin. Benin is another country. Benin is another country. Just like the Ga people where see they Ghana too. That is the reason we were an empire. An empire that was ruling different country. One king was ruling different country. Obari Marano. Obedono. Boririgano. So we might be small, but we are mighty. We might be small, but we are mighty. If our Oba was ruling country, then you should know how great and mighty we were then. So they're not just give a great Benin Empire. Go and check the meaning of an empire and kingdom. And then you will see that they are two different things. They are two different things. It is now we are kingdom. Because they don't share and cut. It is now we are actually kingdom. But we are never kingdom. We are an empire. But empire that was ruled by one king. One king. So different country. But now one king. Now they rule them. Now so Edo be before. Now so we be before. Well, we are known to be warriors. Warriors. We they conquer. We they conquer. Amen. No bo kan ya vian o e do hin. Even if as small as we are, no matter what. But people, they see the fear us. Go see Insta blog. They tell us, say, may you wait for them. Then they come for you. Then don't they want Pascal down. Say, Pascal, wait for them. Then they come for you. You know. So they tell us, say, no worry. They don't even need visa to go there. Then they come meet you now. Even yari muhiri edo se na kena. Ama igwo onyo se no na dami. Yari Insta blog no yari comment ya. Ivi Igbo ivi Yoruba. Iya ya nwone yoto no muja ke ya. Bob ni esokwe be kama we ya ne Bobrisky mi ni Bobrisky mi e obi ya. O se no na dam ogbe so ivie do so misbehave in the social media all damn because any boomer watching ya. Any boomer watching ya. E ma no heke ni ya do agugun yan gun yan gun. Egbo eso ave mi ono na banyo agin yan gun. But a saga ne yan na gbin na ni mu egbegbo to ni ofo ni yan mo bolek. E let down me ari beg dere usware let down ni vie de so do let egbin yan dan o do age ni no ni ya feel no be na. O do ye Pascal obi Cubana do ya feel no be. Iyan bege mi yan e da dore with the social media. E ma paro. Ivie wo be bego gima. Ivie wo be bego gima ni ma o. Ve ni ma be go kiyan. Oh, Maleke don't blast am. Oh, Baba, you don't they go. Many Edo people don't they provoke. You see, Edo babe too don't blast am. Okay, you see, you don't they go. Fred John, you can tell that to your mother to go and sleep. Your father, I will not block you, but I will have to insult your father. Your useless parents that did not train you well. Your papa, your king, your igwe, na imumu. Your igwe, na imumu. You get me? Useless egots. Una not go ever get that brafa. Believe me. Idiots. Gwamba bue. Useless egots. Say old woman, go sleep. Una get no fear na. Mona go carry the brafa na. Useless egots. Don't worry. Fred John, bijwek bayi. Iwa ba fia kon le lijuwe. O nyamiri, o yi iberibe. Idiot. Ewu. You are not from Edo. If you are from Edo, then you are a fool. The useless idiot. Just wait. You are baofia kon le lijuwe. You are baofia kon le lijuwe. Stupid goats. Useless boy. I don't block him. It not be Edo. Now so that they claim. Not be Edo. No minor. Not be Edo. It not come from Edo. Now so that they claim. Go see many of them. When you have social media. Go see many of them. Go see the I Love Asan blog. Go see the person on the even they come. That one not they mind them. Go see anywhere they see say any Edo blogger they talk to them. You go see the way they run. They go. Anything they bring come out way concern Edo. Go see as body go be like say they pepper them. Body go be like say they pepper them. Usman Mohammed. No, it's Obi Cubana that was talking down on Edo people. So it's why I came to reply him. They said he has apologized. So he good. As Maleke don't blast him. Edo babe don't blast him. Then they're very jealous. They are so jealous. And that bitterness, if they pepper them for body, the thing they destroy them for body, they're not going to ever get them. We are the key. Now Edo key, now Edo people, Edo state, now hold the key of that Nigeria. As long as we are the heartbeat. Without a heart, the body can never breathe. Without heart, the body can never exist. So we are the engine. Small but mighty. If una go cry, more una cry. We are small, little but mighty. That is who we are. Great Edo people. That's so we be. Small but mighty. The heartbeat. Easy. Easy to give people heartbeat. The heartbeat of the nation. Go carry Anna. Without heart, you don't die. Without the heart, una don't pay me. So that is it. Now he make any way in no balian way because you beg any you reneway. The problem near one or why I do sit because I mean no see here where aburu my any other aburi only the problem near me here where erima I mean oje we ready our or magin ami of 1967 so only a feni of your zenya viedo. You understand? If you nyamiri na gege zenya viedo, iya zenya viedo based on where we no soon over 1967. Edo blocking ya. Only o evenia vieti today. Iya ya tie dia history ne. Iya iti ene ya na do bege we okay. Emi ya gwalo Edo state o makwe ni yamil. Is the reason ni na lue abu undaso ni Edo state re trying to bring down. Yo baba ambassador Ajebo Botarami Itway. That is the reason they are using some lunatic from Edo State because they remember their history from 1967. Only any no dia in your a signature back can no or by Jawa tota ye cannot tota yona give a order. Only any no balia in your baby no dia. In your no dia. Edo State or Magian subsidy or Magio Juku subsidy only in Notia. Evenia Vieni is the reason that the moment they hear anything concerning Edo State, you go they pain them for a year, you go they pepper them for a year. All she have a senso. Because when I was a some of a timani Nike Sarena misbehaving, go to there and see. Ian Dane. Adaya gitie ni buwe ada. Even wa Sofia ne no zuwa no ma be enoje. Odon ye ne gbe ekoran ene. She was even ada before yana mu ada yana mu ne. They were always calling her ada. All in the name the iya pepin ayo, thinking that whenever anybody that is from Edo State talk down on Edo State, then it will give them ginger. That is their mentality, that is their belief. They think anytime any useless or lunatic person or a lunatic from Edo State talk down on Edo, it will make them to be happy. But little did they know, we are the heartbeat of that nation. We are the heartbeat. The day Edo State will rise up and say, okay, Nigeria mamagi gualo, that is the end. That is the end. Obavora me wune yake do sign the treaty before they amalgamate Nigeria together. Before they amalgamate Nigeria together, Obavora me wune before they could join Nigeria together. They couldn't. Ohamagi try. Then a Bouse. Then a British use. They didn't try it. So you think Edo State is just Edo people? We are just we are because we are little. We are little, but we are mighty. Little but mighty. Benin Republic didn't just become Benin Republic. They came 1974 to Oba Akenzoa to seek permission before they could change from Dahomey to Benin Republic. So go and check your history. Far back Togo, they have University du Benin in Togo before. So Mona go to check her. Everything they there. We are little, but we are mighty. It's just that some people, Some individuals, they don't know how to upgrade themselves. They don't know how to bring themselves to a place whereby people can actually respect them. If you go any blogger page, go see any big you will see that they will write. If you Esa blog page, I love that guy. If you see a page, that once he just posts anything, and that place, once they don't read them, they can see say Great Benin Empire join, especially with the kingdom, like the kings, because all this go south. Most of the kingdom, they are all the kings are all the Oba children. They are all Oba children. But many of them didn't know. But the moment they are now reading the history, look, one thing a lot of people don't know. It is not by speaking language that makes you from there. It is not by speaking language that makes you to become from there. You now, you there Germany, you don't born Peking, and your Peking, they speak Germany. You think say maybe after 20 years, when you yourself and see papa, mama, you don't die. Your Peking, your grandchildren go they speak Benin, you don't go speak. Now German, they go they speak. But tomorrow when your children now say, I am from Benin, German person go come, they follow and they argue, say, na lie, na Germany you for come. Because say they speak Germany. But they forget where that person for really come. The forefather for come. This is migration. You were there Germany, you there Italy. I don't fit talk this thing. You there UK. You born Peking, your Peking, they speak English. Maybe you now, you don't die as papa. Then your children come they born. Your grandchildren, you shall say they go speak Benin. They not go speak. Now where then they go they speak. But tomorrow when your children now start arguing with people and say, I am from Benin. My great-grandfather is from Benin. My grandfather is from Benin. The person go say, you are lying. You are not from Benin. You are speaking this language now. Is the reason some of these people are trying to claim that a lot of people who are speaking like river people, the Degama, the Kwere, name them all, that are speaking those languages, is one of the reasons they are thinking those people, when those ones tell them, we are not from here, we are from Benin. Our forefather came from Benin, but they keep on arguing. Una they speak Igbo now, una they speak this now. But forgotten, language is just nothing. Language not be anything. Because now migration took place. Migration. Now migration took place. Because if you go place, this thing they affect us now. We were with the Europe. We were with the Europe. Because many of our children know they speak our language. Many of our children, they know they speak our language. So tomorrow now, you shall say their children go they speak. Their grandchildren go they speak. No, I don't win ever. No, whatever we bona, I don't win ever. And what time I win I time? Omonu wema bien no we bien we bona. Ezedo, egbo ra yin omodo ba hwanya. Omo wie Germany. Orio hwe Germany. Then ozedoshima wie. Tomorrow when that child now say, I am from Benin, then a German person will say, no, you are not from there. You are not from there. You are German. It doesn't work. Because the person knows where he or she came from. It's just migration that took place. Language, when migration took place, the language you speak doesn't matter anymore. The language you speak doesn't matter anymore. But it is where you are coming from, your origin. Your state of origin is what matters a lot. Is what matters a lot. Now, this one be the argument where it be say, many of them, they follow other people. They go argue. Waiting today, they're not fit win them. They're not fit win them. They try to claim Ika. Hey, Ika, they speak Igbo. Now, migration. Now migration, you know me say they don't know where they come from. You know me say they don't know where they come from. You know when they even ask Wike say he come from Benin. Now waiting the ancestors tell her. Say they migrate from Benin. So the language where they speak or where they be, it no matter anymore. It no matter anymore. But now where you come from, now it matter. Because once migration took place, your language, everything about you, half of it is gone already. Half of it is gone. Because many of them don't know, say, once migration they take place, they go feel say, maybe because migration don't take place, or you don't come on, then you can't speak their language, you can't answer their name. Na half, na mess up. Na mess up. Like Davido just now. Davido na half Bini, half Yoruba. Davido na half Bini, half Yoruba. But you know they speak Bini? They speak? No. You know they speak. So tomorrow now when he picking go come to say, my papa na from here, then person go come they follow and they argue. Or my mama na from here, person go come they follow and they argue. Okay, like Davido now maybe you know they speak the Yoruba. You know they speak Bini. You know they speak Benin, maybe you know they speak Yoruba too. But tomorrow if you come, the tell person say, see we are for come, person will come, they follow and they argue and say, no, you not come from there. But you know where for they come. Your own children now, they're English that they speak. But tomorrow if your own children come, they tell people now say, see we are in for come, then person will come to say, no, you not come from there. Your papa not come from there. How you go fit come to argue with person where be say he don't see say you they speak in your language, but truly deep down your mind, now in language you they speak. But deep down in your mind, in your soul, you know say you not come from there. Okay, ni maniria do ni mazebo edori mama ivima is one of the mistake. Now the forefathers in Ibo make. It's one of the mistake. Number 2 mistake. Biomoka ya mwe enebo. Amu no money. Eniedo do ara de saliva. How are the children going to now grow up with the middle name Edonu Wemunia? They will not know it. They will not know it. It's only your surname. If by tomorrow your child now decide to remove the surname and answer the English name, some children they know they answer their grandpapa name. They just prefer say maybe their papa son, papa we born then na John. He too come be Peter. If he just change down tomorrow, say okay, my father is answering John Osadebane. Your pikin fit tomorrow fit come to say okay, me now my name is Peter, my papa name na John. If you go the right time for school, Peter John, you will come know where he for come. You no go know. So now so it be my people. For Cubana chief priest, as it be said, they say don't apologize. Me, I don't leave him. But it's a lesson for we Edo people. Don't allow these people to look down on us. Don't allow these people to talk down on us. Don't allow these people to bring us down. Don't allow these people to bring us down. So now so I just see a reach. O2 Arena, O2 Arena. A lot of people, Edo people don't go there. So may forget about that thing. Forget about that thing. Because what you pay me inside, be say, he go for use in your state where you for come. Take make example, say your people never go there. Want to come talk down on another person. That's just it. I greet you now, my people. Now do well. I call it a day here. I was not even supposed to come out today. But that video vex me when I see her. It vex me. We are from the great Benin Empire. You like it or not? They not just give us great Benin Empire. It is because we are actually great. It is because we are actually great. Ambassador Itoerami, Owese Baba. It is because we are actually great. Is one of the reasons we need to stop all these things we are doing. Because any arenuson, no ye ni viego ya mobo mimafo. Because ya beg away nes ewani bundo ya imu egbiyan gbotori social media. Ya beg me comment yen so we are say post news. Ya we live video ya we une. So no, so wala wo. Agema few nyeme with ye. Aga few nyeme with ye. Agafi nyime guri na me na tunje do musayo. Aya tunye do musayo. Stella, I greet. Ambassador Ituera, I greet you all, my people. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much. That is what we are known for. Don't allow anybody to talk down on our state. That's just it. Fighting for your right is not a problem. Fighting for your right is not a problem. Let's go to still Gidigbo. Omao Gidigbo, one of Canada. I greet you all, my people. Let's go to good evening, good night to you all. Thank you all so much. One love, my great Edo people. One love. I greet you all. I tuale fauna. Waya wawesi. Wabota. Amazewa ma wi. Wagazewe ma. Immigration sonona. Nirigbo na doa kleme. Idade ma ya ni wiya kedori. Immigration sono. Oh, a problem. E mani reporter court ya khamia wo ya do ya khiya wo ge no. Oni emi no so no. Migration no. Oh, be so no na be we bona. Oh, so no be we bona. Cause if man abia be man ya ze do. Ya ze. E mata ma we na eta ya ze. Akwa ire o mana igun ya argue ya tin defend They cannot. They cannot. So, thank you. Good night.